Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to talk about the best VPNs to use for Apple TV. If you're an Apple TV user and want to access content not available in your country, a VPN is a must-have for you. So in this video, we're going to take a look at 3 of the best VPNs to use for Apple TV: ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Also, if at any point you'd like to give any of these VPNs a try, you'll find discount links available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. And for starters, why even use a VPN in the first place? Well, by using a VPN, you can change your IP address to appear as if you're located in a different country, which allows you to access content that might not be available in your region. Also, a VPN can encrypt your internet traffic, which can protect you from potential hackers or snooping attempts while you stream. This is especially important if you're using public Wi-Fi networks, which can be vulnerable to attacks. And added to that, using a VPN can provide an added layer of privacy, which can be especially important if you're concerned about your online activity being monitored or tracked, for example. Now, before we start talking about the VPNs, it's also important to note that Apple TV does not support VPN integration, but that doesn't mean that you can't use a VPN on it. To get around this, you just need to install a VPN service on the router your Apple TV is connected to and connect to whatever server you'd like. Once you do that, your library should match whatever server location you're connected to. Now, what VPN should you choose? Well, I've looked into a lot of VPN services on the market, and 3 that came out on top are ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best 3 VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch, they're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. And that's why these are my favorite 3. But depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'll explain why. Starting with ExpressVPN. And this is going to be the one to get if you're looking for the best overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN. And it has the most verified no logs policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to easily access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 5 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. And so ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is, and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest levels of reliability, Express is our trusty go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN. And Nord is what I consider the best value VPN. It has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help with speed and latency, especially if you use a VPN for gaming, or if you want extra features such as threat protection, which blocks ads, malware-ridden websites, as well as protect your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for the money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance, and will let you secure up to 6 devices per subscription as opposed to ExpressVPN's 5 device limit. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then Nord would be the one to get. And finally, Surfshark is our pick for the best budget VPN. And while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those 2. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just 1 account. So it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. Also, you still get some bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're trying to use your VPN in a restrictive country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you need a VPN that allows you to secure all of your devices, or if you have a larger family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And so to sum it up, these VPNs are definitely the best in the business. ExpressVPN is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those that are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Now, NordVPN is a well-rounded, high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money and is the ideal choice for those looking for bonus features that can be useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions. Features such as strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark is truly the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessary security features that you usually get with more expensive VPNs. And as an added bonus, you get to share it around with as many of your friends and family as you like, which is a great plus. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts, as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below, guys, if you have any questions. I really like getting to interact with you. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.